Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's October 8th, 2010. Well, we've got some excitement going here today. The USDA came out with their supply-demand report, crop production report. All numbers are bullish across the board as we see them, and a surprise in many cases. So corn yield that everybody's been talking about, average trade average of 159.9, came in at 155.8. Total production on corn, 12,664,000,000 bushel. That's well below trade estimates, about 300 million less. And that puts the ending stocks for the 10-11 corn down to 902 from 1117 that we had in September. So bullish numbers in corn, surprising numbers there. We're expecting corn market to be 20 to 30 higher here on the opening. The soybeans, a surprise there as well. Yield not so much, 4.4 million or 44.4 bushels per acre versus a 45 bushel an acre average there, but they put the ending stocks at 260 versus a 350 average, or 350 last month, and a 334 estimate by the trade. So a friendly number there in the ending stocks category. The wheat number also friendly. They lowered the wheat ending stocks down to 853 versus 902. What can you say? It's a surprising report. It's friendly to the market. We should see the market open sharply higher. Early calls here, 20 to 30 higher in corn, beans, and wheat. The other news was in the outside markets. The unemployment number came out at 9.6. That was a little less than what trade was expecting. So it did have an impact on the dollar. The dollar broke hard after that report, and now it's reversed and higher. The crude oil has done the same thing. We were higher, and now we're lower. Stock markets have turned around from a higher trade to a lower trade. So what's that all mean to the grain markets? It could mean that we could see more money flowing into the agricultural commodities. On the other hand, it could mean that we're the change in direction that we've seen in a lot of these outside markets could hit the grain markets here today if we open this market sharply higher and money flow decides to take some profits. So very wild market expected here today with early action sharply higher. The other news in the livestock trade, we've got pork cutout values down 65. Futures are lower here this morning in both hogs and cattle. Cattle cutout is down as well. Cash cattle did trade at 94 to 95 and a half. In the western plains, that's $1.50 lower. Trade the cutout values is certainly a factor there. The attitude and the influence of some of the outside markets are going to have an impact on the livestock trade today. The higher corn prices could pressure feeder cattle here this morning, and it could cause some pressure in the overall fat market, as well as the potential for a liquidation there. Higher feed costs could cause further decline in production down the road, but it could weigh on the nearby contracts in the livestock. So a lot of excitement here this morning, a lot of volatility. Stay in touch with Allendale or give us a call here. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Early calls sharply higher in the grains, steady to lower in the livestock. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you on Monday morning. Thank you.